What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Today we have the TPOB Play Mini. Now I know I've done this. I did the clipper first looks a couple weeks ago, but today we're gonna do a deep unboxing of the actual clipper, all the accessories, everything that the TPOB Play Mini comes with, and get you guys a look at that. So there it is, guys. TPOB Pro Play powered by Acme Mini. Just to start off for what's on the front. Got 3 hours of runtime, XL play blade, dual speed motor. You got some cartoon artwork on the side there and on the back end, and then we'll dive into what's on the back. All right, y'all, on the back here, we have XL play blade with oil reservoirs, interchangeable rubber logos, 5-click stretch lever, 2-speed switch, battery LED, green on indicates a high battery, red on indicates low battery, red flash is empty, interchangeable rubber grips. TPOB Mini Play is powered by constant torque technology, sensing blade resistance and automatically boosting motor speed, so it never drags, never stalls. Patented Acme motor, dual speed settings from 6,000 to 7,500 RPM, delivering serious power in a compact frame. Ergonomic slim grip, rubberized design with thumb indent for maximum comfort and precision. Smallest clipper in the industry, ultra compact body built for precision, fades, and all-day control. Whisper quiet, the quietest motor in the industry at just 58 decibels. Battery built for barbers, 3+ hours of cordless cutting from a 3-hour charge. Insane runtime for that small clipper the smallest clipper out there. SnapTech 5-lever tech, new smoother clicker 5-step, stretch lever opening, clean to a true #1. Equipped with an XL blade, fusion blade with oil reservoirs to keep blade cool and smooth for much longer. So let's open it up. There we go. Get all this plastic wrapping off. It's going to be a really quick, to the point video, just so you guys could see what's in the box, because we already did get the Play Mini. Like I told y'all, got the Play Mini there, but this is the official Play Mini with the accessories and everything. So he did send out the prototype before to a couple of the ambassadors. So here we go. So let's open it up. There's the cartoon artwork. As you can see on the back end there, we have a information pamphlet, your user manual. Also, we have a charging dock, of course, for the clipper. So here is the charging dock. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out the bag for you. You can switch out this nameplate, just like all the other Play docks. It does come with guards. So we're looking at a half guard through a, I'm assuming, 4. Yep, so there's your 4 guard. So you have a half guard through a 4 guard. Underneath is where I'm assuming we have the cords. So underneath you have your power cord. Of course, there it is, power cord. You have a screwdriver. You have your oil. You have a brush, and you have a zero gapping tool underneath. Now we're gonna get to the clipper. So here is the clipper. Gonna go ahead and take this little baggie off, take off the blade cover. So there is the XL Play Mini. There's your information there. You got your nameplate that switches out. You have your SnapTech lever. I love how that feels and sounds. You got your 2 speeds, low speed and high speed. Yeah, so there it is. This rubber grip interchanges. It also has USB-C charging, if you didn't know. So it does have fast charging capability, as well as your standard charging capability. It does come with the XL play blade. You can see the oil reservoirs inside there, those little slits in the teeth of the blade. Those are your oil reservoirs where oil actually sits. But yeah, this is a very, very great clipper. I'll give you a little size comparison to the actual full size Play. So here is the full size Play. There is the Play Mini next to it. So you can see the definite size comparison does differ. So I love how this feels in the hand. You do have your finger indentions, your thumb indent. So just a great tool to have in the hand. Now another size comparison we can compare it to is going to be the Tomb 45 clipper. There is a Tomb 45 clipper. There is the TPOB Play Mini. As you can see how much smaller it is. And then just to compare it to another clipper, we'll go ahead and compare it to the JRL Onyx as well. So there's a difference to the JRL Onyx. And if you guys want a further comparison, we'll sit it side by side. Let me find what somebody has in the shop here. Oh, we got an OG Wall Senior. So there it is next to the Wall Senior. And if that doesn't do it enough for a size comparison for y'all, we're gonna go down a couple stations and we're going to get, what else we got here? We got the Wall Vapor. So let's see a size comparison next to the Wall Vapor. So there is that next to the Wall Vapor. So this is a lot of clippers that everybody has in the shop that we're comparing it to, just so you guys can get a look at what the Play Mini looks like. Another thing I want to compare it to y'all too, I did this in the last video, is to compare it to the actual TPOB trimmer. So there's a trimmer, and there is the clipper. Y'all see that? Slightly shorter than the actual trimmer. So that's what we're looking at there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get it used behind the chair so you guys can see how it debulks and all that good stuff, how it fades and all that. So let's get to it. What do you think of the new clipper, Kai?
Good.
Yeah? Is it just your size?
Mm-hmm.
There they are. Turn them off real quick, son. And then put them together. Show them together side by side. There we go. So that is the size difference that we're looking at right there. You can see the TPOB Mini is significantly smaller, just like my son, but a mini me, of course. So we're gonna go and use this clipper on my son and let you guys see the final product. So there's the TPOB Play Mini, and there's the final product on the blend right there.
Make sure you grab your TPOB Mini.
All right, guys, now overall, the TPOB Play Mini is just a great clipper to have behind a chair. I already enjoyed the TPOB Play as it is, the OG version. This is just a little bit more compact, well, a lot more compact in my opinion. It feels better for me. I like how small it is in the hand. I do love the ergonomics of it, and it's not too small to where the point that it feels, I don't know what I'm trying to say here. Like, it's not abnormal how small it is when you're holding it. It does feel comfortable in the hand still, is what I'm trying to say. But if you guys want the TPOB Play Mini, go to tpobusa.com. Use code JBlends to save yourself 15% off. You guys seen how it cuts. You guys seen how it debulks, all that good stuff. Blade stays cool. It's just an overall great clip, quiet. Probably one of it is the quietest clipper that I've ever used. And with that being said, I want to say this. Now, I know a lot of people always say, oh, you bought, or you get sent these clippers, da 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 da. I bought this clipper. I bought two of the TPOB Play gray ones, the minis, and I bought those out of my own pocket. So I invest in what I like, and this is what I like, and I've done this. I was promoting TPOB before I was even an ambassador. I was promoting the products before I even had a code to get any commission off of. So I stand behind the TPOB Play. This is the best clipper and you know, one of the best clippers, because the Go's out now, so it's kind of hard to say the best, because right now the Go is kind of overshadowing just because it's a different motor that I like. But this right here, great tool to have. I think it's like $106 on the website. With shipping, I think you're looking at like 120 something ish. But that, as opposed to $250+ clippers that you find at your barber supply, this is the go-to, and you can save a little money by using that code. 20% off JBlends on tpobUSA.com. But without further ado, y'all go cop it for yourself. There's different colorways that he's dropping, but stay tuned. He got a lot more to come. Make sure you go follow TPOB on Instagram, and go make sure you subscribe to the email and SMS text messaging list. But other than that, have a good one. God bless.